Hi everyone, today we're working on Unit 4, Lesson number 23. We're continuing on with our end of unit assessments, and for Lesson 23 we're going to be doing the word identification and decoding skills. So our learning target for today is that we will be able to complete our Unit 4 assessment piece. For our word identification and decoding skills assessment, this is on your Google form beneath the video. What you're going to do is for the first 10 questions, you're going to circle the word that I say out loud. For questions 11 through 20, you are going to circle the word that has the same vowel sound as the word that I say. We'll do number 11 together when we get there. But as a reminder, for questions 1 through 10, you'll listen to the word that I say and select that word on your form. Let's get started. Number 1. Fern. Select the word that says fern. Number 2. Burn. Select the word that says burn. Number 3. First. Select the word that says first. Number 4. Myth. Select the word that says myth. Number 5. Kind. Select the word that says kind. Number 6. Night. Select the word that says night. Number 7. Spy. Select the word that says spy. Number 8. Snow. Select the word that says snow. Number 9. Even. Select the word that says even. Number 10. Lucky. Select the word that says lucky. Alright, for numbers 11 through 20, remember this part's a little bit different. I want you to select the word that has the same vowel sound as the word that I say. We're going to do number 11 together, so listen carefully. Number 11, the word is fern. Select the word that has the same vowel sound as fern. When I hear the word fern, I hear an R-controlled vowel. So I'm going to pick the word that also makes the sound. Out of the words for number 11, the word that makes the sound is clerk. So if I say fern, you would select the word clerk because they have the same vowel sound. There's a freebie for you, number 11. Number 12. Burn. Select the word that has the same vowel sound as burn. Number 13. First. Select the word that has the same vowel sound as first. Number 14. Myth. Select the word that has the same vowel sound as myth. Number 15. Kind. Select the word that has the same vowel sound as kind. Number 16. night. Select the word that has the same vowel sound as night. Number 17, spy. Select the word that has the same vowel sound as spy. Number 18, snow. Select the word that has the same vowel sound as snow. Number 19, me. Select the word that has the same vowel sound as me. Number 20, bunny. Select the word that has the same vowel sound as bunny. That is it for today's assessment. The first 10 were word identification and decoding. The second 10 had to do with matching the vowel sound, listening to the vowel sound that you hear and matching it to a word that you see. So you are all set with lesson 23. Make sure you've checked your work, you haven't left anything blank, and click submit when you are all finished. Great job today.